my dear ones. Division does not always begin with conflict. Sometimes it begins with distance. A silence left unfilled. A moment not shared. A word left unspoken. And slowly, what once stood together begins to stand apart. How does something strong become fragile without being broken? Come closer, my dear ones. Settle your hearts. The evening rests gently upon the land. The wind moves softly through the trees beneath the soil. Roots still hold each other, unseen and steady. There is a quiet truth here. What remains connected remains strong. But what slowly separates may not notice until the strength is gone. There is no sudden sound when distance begins. There is no warning that calls it out. It grows quietly. There was once a father who watched his sons. They lived near one another. They worked side by side. They shared the same land, the same home, the same days. And yet, something between them began to change. They spoke, but not always with care. They listened, but not always with attention. They stood together, but not always as one. Small things passed between them. Words left unfinished. Moments not shared. Understanding not fully given. Each carried his own thoughts. Each held his own position. Each stood slightly apart. There was no argument, no open conflict, no raised voices. And yet, the space between them began to grow. The father saw it, not in what they said, but in what they no longer shared. He saw the distance before it became division. So he called them to him. He asked for a bundle of sticks, tied together, firm, unbroken. He placed it before them. Break it, he said. They tried, one after another, with effort, with strength, but it did not give. Then he untied it. The sticks fell apart, separate, unbound. Now, he said, try again. Each one broke easily, without effort, without resistance. The father looked at them with steady eyes. Strength does not leave all at once, he said. It leaves in the spaces between you. And what is not held together will not remain. The room grew still, for they understood. The distance had begun long before this moment. Come nearer now, my dear ones. Division rarely begins loudly. It begins quietly. In silence, in distance, in moments not shared. As the elders say, what separates quietly weakens deeply. Strength is not only in standing together, but in remaining connected, in speaking, in listening, in returning before distance grows. For what is divided is easily broken, but what is held together endures. So let me ask you gently, where has distance begun without being noticed? And what can you restore before it grows? My dear ones, may your bonds remain strong and living. May your connections be tended with care. May you notice the spaces before they widen. May you return before distance becomes separation. And may you remain together, not only in place, but in heart. If this story has brought you a moment of reflection, you are welcome to stay with us. Subscribe and return whenever you need quiet wisdom again. Until we gather once more beneath the same wide sky. Walk gently, my dear ones. My dear ones, watch the distance before it grows.
Thank you for listening. If this story brought you quiet strength, subscribe and return when you need it again. Until next time, stay rooted in wisdom.